Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on Trading Camp, and for this video we'll be reviewing this 453% 1 minute scalping strategy that is made by Profit Now. So I'm going to copy the strategy, I'm going to put in the rules and everything, try it myself and review it and backtest it and show you guys whether this strategy is actually real and whether we should use this strategy. So let's dive straight into this video. So first up, we're going to be using 3 indicators. The first up will be ADX and DI. Just search it up in the indicators, metrics and strategies. Click on the first one and you'll get this ADX and VI indicator. What you want to do, you want to remove the ADX and remove the level under style. For the inputs wise, just keep it the same, there's no change. Next up will be your ATR stop loss. So search up ATR stop loss finder. Click on the first one by Verifit. For this, you want to remove certain things. First up, you want to change the input, the multiplier to 0.85. Next up, just remove the tables, and that is all you need. Last but not least, what we'll be needing is this Bull Trading Easy MTF. So search Bull Trading Easy. So you'll see this 1 minute easy scalping. Just click on that and it will give you the indicator. So what you want to do with that is you want to change certain things. So for this, you're going to remove the last plot, trend average, bull arrow and bear arrow. And for the bar color wise, you're going to change it both to yellow. And there you have your 3 indicators. So the 3 indicators that we'll be using will be these 3, and let's dive straight into this video and the rules of taking a long or short entry. So let's start off with the long entry. So in order to be for it to be a long entry, first up, what you want is you want the bar to turn green. So here we have a green bar. Next up, we want the price to be above the line right here that changes from red to green, and the price and the green line must stay green all the time. So we look at our third indicator would be the ADX and VI. So for this, the ADX and VI must be above the red line. So the green line must be above the red line. So the rules are pretty simple. The bar must be green, the bar must be above the line, and the line must be green. Next up, the ADX and VI the green must be above the red color. So we'll take a position right there. We place our stop loss below the ATR stop loss finder, so put it right there and aim for 1.5:1. So here we have a winning trade, and here we have another trade. We have this where it turns from yellow to green. The green bar is above the green line over here, and the ADX VI is the green is above the red, so there's another valid position. You want to place your stop loss below the stop loss finder, and there's a 1.5:1. So now let's look for short positions and how to take short positions. So we look at here, it's basically the same thing but you just flip the rules opposite. So first up, you want the bars to change from yellow to red, sorry. The price must be below the red line and the line must be red in color. Next up, we must have the red below the green ADX VI. So we want to have that in place. You can see right here. So you must have the red above the green indicator. So what we see here is we have this valid position. We are going to place it right here. We have this. You can see that the red is above the green on this line. Price is below the red line and the bar is red in color. Stop loss, put it at the stop loss finder and you aim for 1.5:1. So there is a winning trade right there. Here we have another trade. What we see here is the bar changing to red in color. We have this red line right here, price is below the red line, and we have the red line of the ADX above the VI. So that is a profitable position. Stop loss right above the ATR stop loss, and we aim for 1.5:1. And we'll be exited on this position. So as you can see, the strategy works pretty well. So I'm going to go into the back test and test out this strategy, see how it works. So I just chose a random place previously in the market. This is the 1st of June, so it's pretty new data. So let's look for position. So here we saw I have this valid position, so let me turn back time. It's loading a bit. Okay, so what we see here, bar by bar, we have it turning from yellow to green. You see that the green bar is above the green line, and the ADXVY is green in color, is above the red line. So we have a valid position there. Stop loss you want to put below the ATR stop loss line, and you aim for a 1.5:1. So let's see how this plays out. And there we have this winning trade right there. Same thing, we have another valid position here. What we see here is we have the change of the yellow bar to the green bar. We have this ADXVI green color above the red color, and we have the price above the green line. So we're going to take that position, put it at the stop loss right below 1.5:1. Unfortunately, we get stopped out right there, but you can see that we almost got tagged out. So pretty unfortunate right there. Okay, here we have another position. We have the change from the yellow to green bar, and everything is green in color, so bullish position. Another winning position, so 2 wins and 1 loss so far. Almost a win. So here we have almost a valid position. Okay, here we have a valid position where we see it's red bar in color. Stop loss right above 1.5:1. Our first short position. And there's another win. So as you guys can see, I've tested this strategy. Looks pretty good to me if you ask me, and back tested it quite a few times. I can back test it more for you guys, but I think you guys should try this yourself and just basically see how this works. And honestly, I'm quite amazed with the results shown by this strategy. And yeah, if you guys would like me to test more strategies, just let me know in the comments. Let me know how the strategy works for yourself, and yeah, paper trade before a real trade. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye guys.